Well, hi and welcome back to the channel, and we've got some really exciting news.
Yeah, I've just gone and done it.
Oh, what's occurring?
So we're here, all ready to go up the club, and we just had some really sad news that all the nation has had. A queen has passed. So we're now going to go up to the club and have a drink with her.
Raise a glass.
Raise a glass for her.
To remember Her Majesty and long live the King. Thursday night, show opens tomorrow, but we thought we'd go and sample the pub out. Book out seats for the weekend.
And we just heard this afternoon that who's turning up? Geoff and Caroline from...
Oh, Chris Motel Adventures.
Oh, I can't wait.
Can't believe it.
Yeah, and it's going to be really messy with them, I tell you.
No. Better luck they won't find us.
Thursday night and really long queues already. I am not queuing, I am going to the bar. And I think David's going to join me as well. Can't we do more queues? Too old. Although looking at the queue, I'm not too old. It's just that I'm not going to be queuing. We're going to So enjoy, we'll see you later.
See you later, yeah.
Oh, I love going to the Stacy.
At least I don't look anything like Smithy.
So we're all going into the pavilion now. 7:30. The queue is going down pretty quickly. What's occurring?
It's just camera or video?
Yeah, it's just camera. Yeah, so we are with...
The Tony's on tour?
Tony is on tour, and no, I am lying. We are recording.
This is the thing.
And you're going full time. Going full time.
Full time.
I can't believe it.
We have a cat. We have no ties apart from the cat. So it seemed like a good option.
I've got a dog. We will say no more.
You're on the push area with electric, aren't you?
We've got electric. So you're in the motorhome show in Shepton Mallet.
Yeah.
And you've got no electric. And you think that's welcome?
Not really. You make me feel really silly now. I'm not sure why I follow you.
He went before and came back. It wasn't the way.
Oh, look who's here.
Have you got that pink flamingo? Oh no! What you done with it?
Oh, lovely to be accompanied by Geoff and Caroline.
The sensible one.
I'm sober as a judge. How many points we had? 7.
Half.
Well, and a half.
We've just been told this afternoon that there's a party.
Let's hope for you we can get
No.
treatment for you.
There's a band this year that we are interested in.
What's this wee bit?
No, you want it.
There's a Concorde here which I'm buying tomorrow.
I have to go and view it and give my judgment on it.
If it's got a porcelain bog, we're having it simple.
So we'll have a look at the band tomorrow. So keep viewing. And I've got the pleasure of speaking to the owner that's just sold it to us.
Hello, my name's Daniel. I'm the director from P&P Car and Camper Sales in Gosport. We're a sort of a small family business. We've been there over 40 years. I took over from my dad about 4 years ago. We have the pleasure of selling this Concorde motorhome here at the Motorhome Show, and I'm very pleased because it's going to a lovely couple, and it's a lovely motorhome. So I'm sure they'll be very pleased. And all we need to do now is get it back, get it prepared, so that when the new customers get it, they can enjoy it.
And you've got ours now.
Yes, yeah. So we'll be looking to sell that very soon. That'll be very exciting to have that on the forecourt for sale. Looking forward to playing with those levelling jacks. And no, it'd be nice to have a nice big 6-berth motorhome for sale.
You've had some interest already, haven't you?
We have, yes. Nearly sold it yesterday. Well, you nearly sold it for us yesterday. Yeah. So you're the sort of customers we need. You did a great job.
Thank you very much, and I can't wait to have it next week. It'll be brilliant, lovely. Thank you very much, Daniel.
Thank you, thank you.
Look at that. They've already got their sticker on there. So we've come to have a nosy at your van, Rian. If we can get past the gatekeepers, I mean.
Hi, good morning. Di sent us up to have a look at his new van.
Did he?
We've come for a snoop.
Gonna behave yourselves in there.
We'll try. I feel a bit cheeky looking at it without him in you.
Watch. Hey, both. You like my van?
You wish.
I do like an A-class.
It's huge, isn't it?
Look at the cockpit, though. That's nice. Automatic.
Smart guys.
Drop-down bed.
You're reviewing their van palace at the back.
Yes. It's nice, isn't it?
Oh, let's have a look at it. Hey, that's a normal size.
Yeah, it's a porcelain. That's what she said.
Oh, fair play.
How would you open the shower door then? Oh, it's there. Alright, it goes in. Nice.
There'll be a bit of a tight squeeze in there for you, Di.
Hey. That's nice.
It's very nice, guys.
I think they're going to struggle to get into that bed when they've been on the pop, though.
Nah, they're falling, won't they?
Nice size, though. Yeah, it's nice. And Di, when you Rian off, she can shut the door, look. Come on, then.
Well, thanks for the unofficial nosy, guys.
So we're walking around the show and we have just spotted the tanks on tour. So we thought we'd go and say hello.
Drop in and say hello. See if we can get a beer out of them. So guess what? We said we were coming up to see the tanks on tour, and we've blagged a beer.
We blagged a beer. So Kim, you've had the pleasure of looking at our new van.
Your van is lovely.
It's nearly as lovely as me. You've been looking after it for the weekend.
Yeah, we've been keeping an eye on it. Yeah, we've seen.
So our camera, our
personal security. Yeah.
They've been in an angry garage.
I
don't know what they're doing in there.
So tell us a little bit about your channel.
Yeah.
We're quite small.
Very small.
We're very small.
Where did you start? Where did you start?
Oh, we started with that. No, we started 2020.
Yes. Yeah.
It's kind of women up there, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can we do it? Yeah, go on, then we'll do it.
We'll do it.
And then she thrust the camera in my face, and I said, "You can fuck that off right away." And she said, "If you want to do this channel, you got to accept what goes on." All right, fair enough.
Yeah.
Well, look, that was in the car. Like, yeah, we all know
Yeah.
your face.
Yeah.
I've been there.
Oh boy,
So-
will you stop?
So basically, Kim, it was your idea.
It was my idea, yeah.
The women.
So blaming you.
Yeah, blaming me.
Same
yeah.
here, Rian's idea. We just go along with it for the peace and quiet, don't we?
Yeah.
Right, that's enough of that now. Anyway. Well, anyway, guys, have a look at their channel and give them a thumbs up and subscribe. It is free.
Subscribe, and if you see them, then you'll have a free beer as well. We're going around the show now. We'll send everybody over for a free beer.
Graham from the MCC is
over
just over there in the red, sorting the chairs out, and he is the one that's responsible for us. By the cool wall, who's responsible for us buying the new Concorde. And this is the YouTube wall. It's £35. And you have a free bag as well. Just come into the bar now, and I've been accosted by two gentlemen. One of them is a subscriber, so he's had a sticker, but the other one has promised me that he'll subscribe as well. So this is Aaron. Say hi, Aaron.
Hello everyone, you alright?
What's occurring, mate?
Oh, not a lot, just here having a few bites, having a good time, you know how it is.
Are you enjoying the show?
Well, yeah, if the weather would piss off.
Yeah, yeah. And this is
Terry?
Kerry. I thought it was Tiggs.
It was Terry.
Oh, Terry.
Oh, Tiggs, sorry.
You don't know what
Hey,
the week is.
I think he's had a bit too much of this, really.
Well, you know.
So thanks for following us and thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you now in a minute and later in the show.
See you in a bit.
What's the good?
Jason, we've been the Electric Live Orchestra. Hope you've had a good one. We've really enjoyed it. Thank you ever so much for making it a good night.
Brendan, have you had a good night?
Yeah.
I've had a fantastic night.
Yeah.
So who was your favourite?
AC/DC.
They were brilliant, weren't they?
Yeah.
And they give you a special tribute as well, didn't
Yeah.
they? So I would go to that.
Yeah.
It was lovely.
Yeah.
When are you going to look on YouTube next? What travelling channel are you going to watch?
What's
a
Karen?
Okay, I'm glad you enjoyed it. It's been brilliant. Thank you. Thank you for a lovely weekend.
Cheers.
Bye. Cheers, boss. Bye. What a fantastic couple. They were our neighbours for the weekend and they couldn't stay today. They had to go home because Wendy's going to look after her mum, and they gave us a bottle of this. It was so nice of them, which we are going to try out later. So thanks both. Thanks Rod and Wendy.
I have a cunning plan.
Baldrick. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, it is free, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future releases.
And if you're watching and not subscribing, well, you can just
Oh, what's occurring?